When I try to find a new Linux preloaded laptop on e-commerce website or manufacturer's website, they don't disclose all the specifications which we need. Correct me if I am wrong. What they declare is something like this. Now they declare more details about the graphics card, but rest of the details are like this. As per my assumption, user shall need more information than that. What I consider more important is in the next slide. I would like to see the configuration in detail like this. Now this is just an example. I made this up, but this will help me to make a decision in less time and with more confidence. So it should look like this. I say this because my Bluetooth doesn't work. I would like to listen to the tracks which I create by speaking soon after recording with Bluetooth earphones. I have to plug in the wired earphone in 3.5 mm socket. I have to stay stuck near the computer. Because of that, it becomes difficult to create content. I think many users will be in the same situation. At some point of time, this will happen with somebody else. Somebody's sound card or LAN card may not work after changing the operating system. But the issue of Bluetooth card not working is chronic. Users would like to see if the drivers are already available on the internet. What users may like to do sooner or later as they buy a new laptop, they change the default Linux distribution which came with the laptop to the fresh operating system available for download, like MX Linux, Garuda or Mint. At least I do this because my laptops were delivered with 1 or 2 years old distro on it. So I'll be glad if the manufacturers mention these details on their websites. Like on this Broadcom's website, they have mentioned technical specifications and Linux drivers are available for download. So users can download and test before buying if they want. They disclose reasonable specifications over here. And on the download page, the Linux drivers are available. If a laptop manufacturer declares that they have this chip on the motherboard, it will give me great confidence. This is AMD's graphics card webpage. I get reasonable confidence when I see declarations like this. I mostly visit websites which are in English. Situations can be different for websites in different languages like Taiwanese or European languages. You can comment what we can do to make the vendors disclose more specifications if you have any ideas. That's all from me for now.